Welcome to Stuff My Box!
With Nina from A Sound of Thunder and...
Num Num Boris!
Yay!
Yet another episode of Stuff in That Box.
Oh yeah. What are we stuffing our box with today?
Well, we are coming back to our very favorite Japan candy box!
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Did we bring the Tums?
Yes, yes, and my stomach is already saying like unbelted.
Yeah.
But before we dive into that box, what are we drinking?
Well, I think you made your drink today, Boris.
Yeah!
What are you drinking?
Well, with some help, I am drinking some Italian vodka. First time, blood orange, one of my favorite flavors.
Love.
Drinking it with ginger ale and that special kombucha.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So a vodka kombucha cocktail.
Yeah.
That's good.
We're going weird.
That's pretty weird. I like it. Cheers.
Cheers. It's nice and vodka-ish.
Nice and vodka-y.
Yeah. So let's open the box.
Okie dokie, let's do it.
Oh, it's here. Yay!
Cute.
Cute.
Let's see. So here's get a free gift with code OKASHI at JapaneseCandyStore.com. Okay.
Yay.
I like free stuff.
All right, so let's dive into the tasting.
Let's dive in.
This yellow box called my name, and it has a Mickey Mouse in
It
it.
does have Mickey Mouse. What is
But it's
it?
the old school Mickey Mouse,
It is.
too.
Let's see what this is. Morinaga Disney chocolate cookies. Okay. So
Ah.
we got some chocolate cookies.
Ah.
Brr. All right.
Another bag, and look, little Mickey Mouse.
Cute.
So look, it's Mickey Mouse.
Oh, they have characters.
Ooh, so
have
cute.
Disney characters. Then they're really tiny. Let's see here.
See?
Got Winnie the Pooh.
Okay.
Oh, look, they have little characters. And so I've got Winnie the Pooh's face.
And I have his butt.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
I
Okay.
am into butts.
That's cute. Okay.
And there's a butt in the end.
There is a little butthole. They have little buttholes for. I guess that's where the chocolate goes in.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I could say, oh, it's the first time I ever had a butt in my mouth, but no. Chocolatey.
They're good. Okay.
Yeah, not too flavorful, very light,
Mm-hmm.
but it's good.
Cute little chocolate candy. What is this?
Well, she went for the long and thick.
Of course I did. No, size queen. Okay.
Who is it?
These are, Bourbon Petite rice crackers. All right. They're from Bourbon. They're seasoned with rock salt and spicy black pepper. Bourbon. So this is another one of those tube, like, guys. There. All right.
The little tiny thingies.
Little tiny rice crackers.
It sounded like you said rice crackers.
No. That's good.
It tastes like normal
Rice cracker.
rice crackers.
Now you're doing it on purpose.
Yeah, everything I do is on purpose. But it has a nice little bear.
I like those. They're crunchy. They're really crunchy.
They're nice. So this is probably like it's not really like a desserty thing.
Right.
Either.
Right. Yeah.
Our last box was all dessert because it was Valentine's Day.
All desserts. Yep.
No,
Yeah.
felt it for a week.
Yeah. I like having this this difference of the chocolate.
Cubie.
Cubie.
Look, it's really cute.
Mazy
And
milk high milk chocolate cubie. These yummy cube-shaped chocolates have a special coating, which makes them less prone to melting in your hand. They're also packaged in a foldable bag.
Oh.
Interesting. We got this. We got this. Ooh. Ooh. These are nice little chocolates. All right. So here we go. They look like that. Oh.
Chocolatey.
That is some good chocolate.
Yeah. It's really good.
That's really good chocolate.
Requires more alcohol.
Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, these look like little Calbee. Okay, so we got these guys.
Oh,
These
they're
are
so cute.
Calbee vegetable chips. These heart-shaped mini chips are flavored with different healthy vegetables. carrots and bell peppers and tomatoes.
Wow.
All
What is this?
right.
Healthy stuff?
Healthy stuff.
We don't eat healthy.
Probably not that healthy, but.
Yeah. It's all fried, deep
Yeah.
fried and refried.
Oh, but they're cute.
With more fried and more deep fried.
They're cute. Look at that.
Oh, those are nice.
Very nice.
And they're different colors, so
Yeah. I'll take a green one.
it's kind of like chips,
Mm-hmm.
but lighter.
Yeah, they taste like those vegetable straws.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think I actually like those a little better. They're lighter.
Mm-hmm.
Those are really nice. Yeah.
They definitely melt in your mouth. I like that.
You know what else melts in your mouth?
I don't know, Boris. What melts in your mouth?
I don't know. That's all I got for you. So now, noir black cacao. Something looks like a knockoff Oreos.
Oreo-like cookie sandwich made from high-quality black
Oh.
cocoa ingredients.
Ooh.
So
It's
a-
not like that boring Oreos
Yeah.
that's done from chemicals. This is from high-end stuff.
This is a high-end Oreo. All right. Ooh.
This is so cute.
They're tiny. They're mini Oreos.
And look, they have a little letter. They have different letters on them.
Oh, they definitely smell better.
Look, yours has B, mine
Yeah.
has Y.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
This is nice.
They definitely taste like Oreos.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the thing. Y, B, and C. I don't know why. Oh, because that's the company that makes them. YBC.
Yes, it all makes sense now.
Yes. We've uncovered the mystery.
The mystery. Mazy Super String Q Cola and Soda flavor.
Oh.
So it's a gummy, and it's
Ooh, gummy.
okay. It's cola and soda flavored gummy.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, they look like little spaghettis.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's
It's all one. Okay, we're gonna need to cut this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Snip. Okay.
It does taste like soda, actually.
Oh my gosh, that's weird.
Yeah. It's pretty good. One thing I'm enjoying, like, do they taste very sweet to you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, and this is nice, a little different. In general, Asian sweets are actually less sweet than like American sweets. And I'm liking that. It's nice, it's refreshing because then you don't have as much of a sugar aftertaste.
I have a friend that just went to Japan and her husband is diabetic and he kept having low blood sugar because the food in Japan has so much less sugar than the food in
Yeah.
America that he had whenever he put the insulin it was like too much. You need less insulin because there's no sugar in your
Wow.
blood. Yeah, so he kept having to eat more snacks.
Wow, look for the go for the big one.
All
It's
right,
pink.
the big one.
And it's cute.
Super Mucho Sour Plum Chips Slim Bag.
Super mucho.
All right. This is stick potato. Okay. Super Mucho Sour Plum Chips Slim Bag. These crispy Super Mucho potato sticks are packed in a handy slim bag and seasoned with refreshing and sour flavor of sour plum.
It's a lot of sour.
Yeah. Sour
Let's sour it up.
plum. Oh. Oh. Mmm.
This is good.
You know what it reminds me of? Salt and vinegar potato chips.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's exactly that. Yeah.
But sweet.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum.
Mm.
You can see us keep eating this.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good alcohol snack.
Yeah, salty and carby. Mm. Kasugai strawberry ramune candy. Oh my gosh. These remind me of those Halloween candies that like the house gives you that you don't want.
Starburst?
They're like little tabs. I don't know.
But they're cute. They have a little puppy and a kitty.
Okay, so see, they're very small.
I want to take my medicine.
Oh my gosh, take your pill.
Okay. This pill is too small in my mouth. Wow.
This is not anything like that Halloween candy that you get that you don't want. Wow.
Pez. This
It's
makes
like
me
Pez.
think like Pez, yeah.
It's like Pez, but it melts in your mouth like immediately.
Yeah.
Wow. It's got a lot more flavor.
Yeah.
Wow. We're down to the wire.
Hello, kitty.
Hello, kitty.
What is this?
It is a strawberry lollipop.
Oh.
Yeah, open
This
that
looks
lollipop.
like really small.
Yeah, it's a tiny lollipop.
It's not enough for sucking.
You got this?
You got it, but it's like right at the edge, so it's barely open.
It's okay. Kind of tiny and
Yeah. Do you want it?
I'm good. You gonna put it in your mouth? How is it? He's really going at it here, folks.
It's nice. It's very light in flavor.
Okay.
So it's not very strong, which is good.
Uh-huh.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. We're gonna
Fine.
put it in here.
It's not the best grinder hookup I've had.
All right, and
The last one, but not least.
Mazy mini chocolate bag. This is a sampler bag of one of their traditional chocolate treats.
There's jiggly stuff in it.
It sounds like M&M's.
Yeah. More like Skittles.
Oh yeah, but these are chocolate. It's an M&M.
Yeah, tastes just like it. So this was our second time trying Japan candy bugs. And as last time, we really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Like, our stomachs were like,
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
We had to try everything, and there were so many things to try. I think this was better. Like, we tried everything, but everything was good and everything was different. You know, it was.
and I like that better.
Yeah, not
it
just
was,
sweet.
It was themed after a holiday.
Yeah.
But it was actually too much. Like,
Yeah.
it was really overwhelmed.
Yeah.
This was nice variety. It was much lighter.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed this. I think if you are really into sweets and you love trying different things, Japan candy bugs is the thing you should try.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. It would be nice to pack one of these in like your lunch every day.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
What was your favorite one? do you
I think my favorite was I like these guys.
Those were good, yeah.
These little straws with the sour plum.
Mm-hmm.
They're good. They remind me of, salt and vinegar.
I think actually this was one of my favorites one.
Oh yeah.
It was really tastes chocolatey, and also the M&M light was really good.
Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. You know what my favorite one was? It was the chocolates. The chocolate cube. Yeah, Meiji chocolate cube.
Yeah. I forgot these were pretzels. I mean,
Oh my god.
yeah, I have more. So overall, would say Japan candy bugs is a box you should get. The second time we tried it and we liked it,
Oh yeah.
very likely you will see it again.
Yeah.
I think the box is about like $30.
That's not bad.
For it being candy from outside a different country, so they actually ship it outside of US.
Yeah.
This is definitely a box you should try. And so where they can find you?
They can find me at asoundofthunderband.com and on Twitter at Duchess of Dork and on Instagram at Duchess O'Dork.
Oh yeah. And you definitely should check her out and her band. They're doing some great nerdy stuff as always.
It's true. It's true. We were just on Riverdale.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, you just made that show relevant.
Thank you. I like that show. That show is super gay.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is the gay. That is honestly, after watching RuPaul's Drag Race, this show is gayer.
I have not seen it, so
I will
did
show
not
you.
know.
I will show you.
Well, you can find me on numnumboris.com or any other social network where I post about tasty things I eat and things I often say in real life that are weird.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah. Well, thank you. This was another episode of Stuff My Bugs. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You know, you want to have us everywhere, in you, around you, on you. You know,
It's
just get
true.
it sticky from us.
Yeah, just get us all in you. And drink. And drink.
Yes, drink.
Drink. Bye. Like, he was trying to intimidate somebody.
With those pink scar.
Right?
thingies.
So he got the boys on the football team to wear a bunch of masks and do a video where they're all shirtless in masks. And I'm like, what are you doing? This is
I'll
not
watch
intimidating.
that.
Yeah, and there's...
I'm just turned on. I'm not intimidated.
Like, one of the main characters is gay, Kevin. Actually, another of the main characters, she's a lesbian. She's gay.
Well, lesbians tend to be.
Yeah,
Yes.
there's a huge like gay storyline. Yeah.
So Sabrina, the reason why it's so dark is because it's an offshoot of Riverdale, actually. I like the Sabrina. I haven't finished the first season, but I like what I saw. I need to watch more. I caught up with Orville.
Uh-huh.
I caught up with The Good Fight,
Put these away.
which is really good.
Oh, really? I've heard of
Oh
that
my-
show.
That
Did
show.
you eat all these?
And finally, after finishing a day of chatting and chatting, the old biddies returned back to their native habitat.
You jerk!